I've been part of a lot of system implementation, so not all of them always go as smooth. When I'm working with Sunbound, the process went really well. They understood what we needed, and I would get quick responses from their customer service. Anytime I reached out, they would jump on a call, they would respond quick to emails. They helped me and my team reconcile our cash on a daily basis and sent us any kind of reports that we needed, and they were great throughout the whole process. And they've also been great with any questions we have for our residents. They know they can reach out and get quick responses.
Once Sunbound went live, we had a much higher adoption of electronic payments and statements. Residents were able to self-serve their own accounts more easily, and that greater visibility is important for us to provide to families.
Once we implemented Sunbound company-wide, we saw a difference almost immediately. Our families reacted well and adopted the platform right away at a very high rate, and they appreciated the billing platform's visibility. They were able to set up their own automatic payments, pick the date that those automatic payments were going to be made, view their statements. So not, oh, where did I put that piece of paper? Oh, let me go find that email. It's a one-stop shop to see payments that have been made, as well as the statement that coincides with that. And then it's nice that there's just one source of communication. They can respond right to the Sunbound email or ask any question that they have.
There were different vendors that we had taken a look at, but it was the comprehensive approach, the training, really identifying what our pain points were in trying to achieve this initiative, and the communication and collaboration with Sunbound has just been incredible.
From my perspective, the visibility into the payments that are received without having to go to our bank account or try to track down a physical paper check, I can provide clarity to the family member by looking in the Sunbound portal, has made my job significantly easier.
For other senior living operators, I know change can be hard. You're dealing with residents who are used to doing things in one way, manual checks, paper statements, but it can seem scary. We had some communities that were really hesitant to make that shift, but once they saw what the platform looked like, how they can engage with it, how their families can engage in it, they didn't have a problem with adopting it and making that move to electronic payments and electronic statements.